Today we will start chapter 15, surface area and volume. Students, you have studied about plane and solid shapes in previous class. Let us now revise and consolidate our knowledge. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. These have two measurements, length and breadth. So these are also known as two-dimensional or 2D shapes. Square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram are some examples of 2D shapes. Let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Solids have faces, edges and vertices. Cuboid, cube and cylinder are examples of 3D shapes. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces is called a cuboid. A matchbox, book, brick, tea pack, suitcase are examples of a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called a cube. A dice, ice cubes, sugar cubes, chalk box are examples of a cube. A cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Every day we see around us many objects such as a road roller, a gas cylinder, a circular pillar, a circular pencil which have the same shape known as the shape of a cylinder. A cylinder is a solid that has two parallel circular bases which are connected by a curved surface. It has no vertices. It has two curved edges and three faces. One face of a cylinder is curved face and other two faces on top and bottom are flat and circular faces. With this explanation, let's start exercise 15.1. Its question 1 is, look at the given figure, then answer the following questions. A. Name the shape given in the figure. As we see, this figure has 6 rectangular faces, so it is a cuboid. B. How many edges are there? Name them. A cuboid has 12 edges. Here these are PQ, OP, OR, QR, ST, MT, MN, MS, QS, MR, PT and NO. See how many vertices are there. Name them. 8 vertices are there. O, P, Q, R, S, T, M, N. D. Name all the faces of the given solid. It has 6 faces: O, P, Q, R, M, N, S, T, Q, R, S, M, N, O, P, T, M, N, O, R, S, T, Q, P. Question 2 is, identify the given solid. Then answer the following questions. It is a cylinder as it has 2 circular bases and 1 curved face. Its A part is, what is the diameter of the base of this solid? It is a cylinder which has 2 circular bases. We studied that in circle, diameter is twice of radius. Here, radius is r, so diameter will be twice of r, 2r. B. How many circular ends it has? It has 2 circular ends. C. What is the circumference of the base of the solid? The circumference of the base of the solid is 2 pi r, where 2 is constant. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14 and r is radius. D. Is it a right circular cylinder? The line joining the centers of the circular ends of a cylinder is called its axis. If it is perpendicular to the circular ends, then cylinder is called right circular cylinder. And here axis is perpendicular, so yes, it is a right circular cylinder.